So that's my kerfing plane. Some of you may have been wondering what in the world I was making. Basically, this makes a kerf in a board to make ripping easier, or if you want to create a rabbet, you can have a kerf at one depth and a kerf at another depth. I wanted to make this just to kind of do proof of concept, play around with it, see what I wanted to actually make, because I've never made one before. And I'm really happy. It's not perfect, and it's not everything I really want it to be, but I've got a few things I'm going to change in the next version. I made it out of a scrap piece of oak, so there's a few cracks. I wasn't able to put the saw pushing handle on here because it cracked off. But not too bad other than that. I'm also going to I'm going to shape the teeth differently. These are just a very simple 8-point a rip, and I want to keep the rip, but I'm probably going to be turning it into more of like an old-fashioned crosscut with a deeper gullet so that the sawdust has a place to go. Even thinking about actually doing a crosscut with the rakers in it. So we'll see. I don't know. I haven't quite answered that question of what I'm going to do with this. Otherwise, I am very, very happy with how this turned out. It came out very well. I wanted to actually go wild on it, and on the first half, let me lift these up here for you. On the first half down here, I wasn't trying to stay in place, wanting to see how much the kerf would actually hold it, and it held it perfectly. I mean, a couple dozen passes with the plane, and these would be butter smooth. I'm immensely happy with that. On the other side, I was intentionally trying to get it to go off course just to see how much force I would have to put into it to make it do that. And indeed, I was able to do that up here. And got it quite a ways off course. So this isn't a foolproof method, but by George, it works pretty well. I am extremely happy with it. I'm probably going to make the depth on the next one a little bit deeper. This one is about 3/8 to a 1/2 inch. I didn't set a specific depth on it. I just wanted to play with it. But yeah, I am very, very happy. So you will see me using this in a couple projects coming up. So that is my my kerfing plane. Hope you like this. Have a good day.